Hello everyone, let's make dal tadka with jeera rice. In a bowl, soak 1/4 cup of masoor dal and 1/4 cup of moong dal and 1 cup of tur dal. These are the ingredients. Now in a cooker, add about 2 cups of water and add all the soaked dals to the water. Add 2 to 3 green chilies, ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything well really nicely and add about a tablespoon of oil. Pressure cook this up to 3 whistles and it should be looking something like this, soft cooked dal. Tadka for dal. In a pan you'll be adding oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and 1 chopped onion finely. Saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. To this we're adding ginger and garlic chopped, and we'll be adding 1 chopped tomatoes. Saute everything for about 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes are cooked. Now we'll be adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and mix everything well. Look at it, how yum that already looks. Now to this we will be adding the cooked dal, adding a bit of coriander leaves. Combine everything well, make sure the spices is really mixed with the dal. Now the dal is ready. The consistency should be like this. Now the topping of the tadka for the dal. In another pan you'll be adding ghee and oil, about a tablespoon of both, a half tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of jeera, 3 to 4 dried red chilies, curry leaves, let it splatter, a tablespoon of hing, a tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix and saute just for about a minute. And now this tadka we will be adding to the dal mixture. Now set it aside. Now we will be preparing tadka for the jeera rice. In a kadai, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of ghee, 2 tablespoons of jeera. This requires a lot of jeera since it is jeera rice. Mix, mix, mix. A bunch of curry leaves. Let it splatter again. 5 to 7 green chilies chopped. You can add how much ever you want depending on the spice level. Saute it for about a minute. Now add 1 chopped onion and again saute it until light golden brown. To this I'll be adding salt to taste. I've kept my basmati rice ready. I've added a little bit of bay leaves while boiling it, and now mix the jeera tadka to the rice and combine everything well. This is how it should be looking. Now on a plate we will serve the jeera rice on one side, something like this, and the dal tadka on the other side of the plate. You can serve it however you like it. I just like the presentation of this. Now jeera rice with dal tadka is ready. Serve it with a raw onion and trust me, it tastes exactly how they serve it on restaurants. I mean, it is truly yummy. It's perfect for this monsoon weather. Definitely try it and let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment and hit the notification.